Oh my God. I'm shaking. I really like, I'm shaking, huh? Oh my goodness. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say.
I'm speechless too. I can't say
Just,
more.
just thank you. Oh my God. I know it's too early to do that, but I really do appreciate your hard work, your patience, your support. I know it's still early to do that one, but I really appreciate it. Oh my God. Tawa na. That's it. Oh my God. Thank you. Buli ko tayo, uy. Wala. Buang mo ka, Mike, uy. Mike, you really buang, Mike. Okay, I will shake mo na. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. It's a perfect. Kasi kaya sabi niya wala na daw siyang pera. Na-order na daw si Mike. Thank you. Sorry, keeping.
I'm here for you.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. First winner of 30, guys. Tulungan niyo ako, ha. Tulungan niyo ako mag-type dyan. Baka magka-ano naman. Kaya pala yung sabi niya, yun daw surprise niya. First winner of 30 Gcash. 30 winners. First winner. Guys, tapos yung sa rice, ha. 2 winners of rice dito sa links. Tapos 1 winner sa super chat at saka sa percent. Pag example na bonus si Shane dito sa list ng rice, tapos nabunot ulit si Shane sa links at saka sa super chat, pwede pa po siyang manalo. Guys, ha? Only winners po tayo today, guys. Zapatos lang hindi pwede si Shane kasi nanalo na siya last raffle. So, para iba na naman, we give chance to others. You're sick?